So you're interested in being a part of Run Ranger Run but not quite sure how to register? You're going to go to runrangerrun.com. This is the home page. From the home page, you're going to choose Register. And then you'll come directly to our registration platform where you're going to have two choices. You can choose Join a Team or Create a Team. If somebody has asked you to be a part of their team, or you know that there's a team sitting empty, you'll simply choose Join a Team. You're going to choose which registration type is good for you. Choose Walk, Run, Adult. And then you just need to have a portion of that team name. You don't have to know it, the full thing in its entirety. So I'm going to type in team and see what we have here. Okay, I want to join Team Firestarter. And so you would be able to choose them. Now notice that if a team is full, it won't allow you to register for it. It'll say full out here to the side. So I've chosen Team Firestarter. I'm going to go down here to Next. And then it brings you to a page where you fill out all your personal information. It's really as easy as that. Now I will tell you a hint is that whatever username and password you use, remember that. And we're going to use that. I would suggest that you use that for your mileage log as well.